This is Animecha 8621 here to do an unboxing on a oldie but from a Gundam series that only had 39 episodes called From Gundam After Colony, Mobile Suit Gundam After Colony, Gundam X. And we're going to do the unboxing on the Mobile Suit GX-9901 DX Gundam XX Satellite System Downloading Mobile Suit. Let's get to the box, and this is one of the coolest Gundam I've ever seen. Oh, well, first, look at the box art right here where you see him deploying his the wings right here to charge up the twin cannons on his chest. It has the beam rifle right there in the hand. Open up aiming right here. These are the cooling vents on it to cool it down so it could fire continuously. And right here to receive the microwave from the satellite itself. I kind of like this because it's showing that he's charging up the cannons ready to fire them. Even based like that. This looks like solar panels right there. It looks like it's absorbing solar energy, but those are the panels to show that it's storing up the energy. It has the beam rifle in the right hand right here. Two beam sabers on the hips right there. Look how the legs are folded right there. Even right here, we had the name and everything. And this came out in 2013, right there, from Bandai Spirits. Right here, where you can see it. If you want to pause everything for it to translate, but look right here, the front look nice. It has a shield. It has a shield right there on the arm that's stuck right there. Holding the gun right there, clean with the wings closed. You see right here in the back with the two cannons. Nice. And right here you see you're already deployed with the wings shining, everything ready, fully charged up.
Now playing Hate It or Love It, featuring 50 Cent, by the game on Apple Music. You can always ask me to switch to a different app.
Right here also with the wings deployed with the cannon on the stand. Here the wings open, including the vents on there. As a mobile hit. Beam saber. Shield. Beam rifle. We're firing both the beam rifle, the beam cannon and beam rifle. Yeah, 2 bags. Well, this is a slip to boost your confidence in 2 ways. Just snap a photo, build it, snap it, scene it. It's basically for the www.gungnapp.com digital to display everything. The box art, everything from there, and let's show the website for building a note. Here, look, we have the booklet right here. Want to pause and see its weapons and everything? Go ahead. Right here, okay. It has, its head height is 100, it's a 7.5 meters, weight 7.8 ton material, lunar titanium alloy, which is Gundanium in the Gundam world. Kind of mistranslation, as it's supposed to be called. Lunar titanium is actually Gundanium in there. Armaments: twin satellite cannons, buster rifle, twin satellite buster rifle, hyper beam sword, defense plaque, breast launchers, head Vulcan. Basically, that's supposed to be breast Vulcans, and they're supposed to be beam rifle. Another mistaken translation. So let's get the unbagging right here. It has a sticker sheet right here with the panels for the satellite wings. And it's kind of interesting that you could use basically a Q-tip or a toothpick too. I'll show you later on. This is for the beam rifle. Coming here, this one and this one right here. This is for the inside part where the collecting the microwave from the satellite collector. These are for the legs. 2 of these 6 for the legs. 1 is for the back. This is for the gem on the crest. 2 are for on the satellite cannon. 1 I think is for, let me see. The head beam. That's right. There was 2 there. Let me see. Basically. That's right. 2 for the green, 2 for the back. I think 4 is for, what else has 2 stickers on it? Not the beam sabers. Is it? Let me just check right here in the booklet. Let me check later. But nice, and they're reflective. We have a effect runner right here. Oh, runner F1 with the beam sabers, the beam effect, and the shell units for the satellite system. We have for the top part, the black part of the armor right here, which is D2. You see we got chest, the back plate, part of the backpack, shoulders right here, beneath feet, and for the armrest. We got parts of the inner frame right here. What's in parts for that, and this is for the satellite cam, jets right there, everything. Hip waist, beam rifle. Let's see too. I kind of like how this old school version a lot more better than the new ones. These are a lot more better. Okay, we got runner A with parts of the armor thing. Here's for the legs, everything detailed there. This is detailed from mass we see later in the manual. Part of the shield. This is the front skirt, back skirt. Love how this is designed. This are beam rifle waist right here. Oh, the wings for the satellite cannon right here. If you see right there, I think, and look right on the back. You use the Q-tips on this, and you can put the stickers on here, and use the Q-tips on here or toothpick, and you could basically put that glue here, and you're gonna see that same design called glue. If you don't want to use the stickers, you can use either marker or paint. Now, next bag, we have runner F2. Red parts here for the shield plane, the waist, the part of the eyes and chest, the waist unit. No red gem because it's one piece now. Just like that. We have potty caps right here. We have for E2 the yellows for the vent fin, the vents right here. Chest vents, including right here, the antenna. But look, the gem is yellow on there, which you need the red sticker from the other thing. Runner B, one, where the satellite cannon system, parts of the armor, beam sabers in here, everything kind of nice. I love how the designs right here. This where you put it, go to the leg, and you put the sticker right there. Nice way to do that. This is the same thing as a duplicate of this one. Same thing right here. Okay, I skipped this because we're looking through this, but here's the instruction manual. If you see the details on the everything. Let's open this up. You see all that there. Okay. Well, we'll get started building it. This they should have made it a metallic green color for it to show more better when you put it right there on those. Kind of a bad idea they didn't. Nice. Hmm. There. Well, this is Animecha 86 out for now. We're until for part 2 of the build, where I built the arms and let me see what else they have to build here. This is one interesting Gundam. When we have interesting Gundams like this, I love building them. Yeah, we got the feet and legs. So wait until next time. This is Animecha 86 for now. Sign out for now. Bye. Like, subscribe below, and tell me what your favorite Gundam is from your favorite anime, either English dub or sub. Bye for now. Write in the comment section below your favorite Gundam English, your favorite Gundam anime, either English or dub, and your favorite Gundam too. Bye.